Let's move on to part 2. Example 3 says that Frank is a locksmith who owns his own business. He buys a case of 144 bulk brass padlocks for $244.97. He sells each lock for $5.50. The first question is asking us, how much does each lock cost? So to do this, we're going to do the unit price. So unit price is equal to the bulk cost divided by the amount. Now in this problem, our bulk cost is $244.97, whereas our amount is 144. Okay, so we'll plug those numbers in. We're going 244.97 divided by 144. Okay, let's take out our calculators together and do this. So in our calculators, 244.97 divided by 144. And we round money always to the nearest hundredth. So 1.70 per lock. So that's how much it costs him per lock. And again, in D2L, if we were putting this answer in, you would just put 1.70 into the D2L box. How much profit does Frank make when he sells one lock? Well, he is selling the locks at $5.50. To find our profit, we're going to take the price that he sells at, which is $5.50, and we're going to subtract the price that he buys at, which is $1.70. Let's go ahead and subtract that. So $5.50 minus $1.70. He is making a profit of $3.80. Okay. So Frank making $3.80 profit per lock. Cool. Let's keep going. Now, a lot of times, and even in real life, you want to buy things so that you get the best deal. And sometimes different stores will have different pricing for those items. So we want to check what's the best buy at each store or for each product. The best buy is the cheapest price per unit. Step 1, you're going to find the unit price of each option. And step 2, you're going to take the smallest or the cheapest, which is the best buy. So we have a 48-ounce can of tomatoes that costs $2.99 and an 18-ounce can that costs $1.19. So we're going to do the unit price. My first can is 48 ounces. Oh, sorry. We always do money on top. So unit price is equal to the money amount divided by the amount. For the first can, that's going to be 48 ounces. Oh my gosh, not 48, sorry. It's going to be $2.99 for 48 ounces. So $2.99 divided by 48 ounces. That's going to give me, so we'll plug that into our calculator, 2.99 divided by 48. That gives me 0.0629. I'm going to take about 4 decimal places because we don't need to round right now when we're comparing, because sometimes we might have to look at those decimals. Then we have on the other side, again, unit price is equal to the dollar amount divided by the amount. And I'll highlight this one in purple. Got 18 for $1.19. So $1.19 divided by 18 ounces. Let's plug this into our calculator. So 1.19 divided by 18, 0.0661. Okay, we're going to start comparing the digits. So first digit is the same. The second digit is the same. The third digit is the same. The fourth digit is different. So you want to see which one's smaller. So since this one's smaller, it's the better buy. So the 48-ounce can of tomatoes is the best buy. Okay, and there's my answer. Let's take another look. Let's take a look at another example here. So the example here says that Ozami is a tour operator and offers 2 types of tours in Banff. We have the deluxe tour, which goes for 1.5 hours for $36. And then we have the Supreme tour, which goes for 4 hours for $84. We want to see which one would be the better price per hour. Okay, so we're going to take, for our unit price, we're going to take our dollar, our money, and divide it by the amount, which in this case is going to be time. We're going to go $36 divided by 1.5 hours. Let's take out our calculators. 36 divided by 1.5. I get $24 per hour. Okay, so there is, there is my deluxe tour price per hour. The next one for the unit price, we have, again, you take your amount of money divided by your amount. We've got $84 divided by 4 hours. Okay, let's plug that into our calculators. 84 divided by 4. This one is $21 per hour. Okay, so the Supreme tour is $21. So if we look at these two numbers, the Supreme tour would be a better buy. Perfect. We've got one for you to try on your own. So you want to decide which one is the better buy. You're going to have to do this for, so which one's the better buy? 6 muffins for $7.59 or 1 dozen muffins for $14.99. And remember, a dozen means 12. Okay, so you're going to have to set it up for 6 muffins. You need to find the unit price. And then you want to find the unit price for 1 dozen. Okay, and then tell me which one is the better buy.